guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe at the end of this video so you will see more videos like this. And please don't forget to click the notification as well so you will be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing. Happy unboxing. Okay, so this is the unboxing for today. This, what is it, darling?
Something for you.
Something for me. Let's see guys, what is this? I'm excited to show it with you guys. Oh. What's that? Oh my gosh, this is my foundation. This is Rimmel Lasting foundation. I like this foundation. It's very nice. Oh, thank you so much, darling. Oh, is that fleur de lis? The thing.
Can't see.
So that's a nice. Yeah.
Can't see.
No, you can see. Oh, okay, it's fine. Oh, so this is. Okay, so done. Oh, so you got me 3, darling.
Buy 2 get 1 free.
Oh,
Plus
and
an extra 10% off. That was the special offer.
Oh wow!
I took advantage of the offer. Plus a free gift. I don't know what the free gift is. That's the one you're holding.
Oh, so this is face cloth. Let's see. Oh, I need the scissors. Okay, guys. So I'll cut this. Let's see, because I don't want to cut in case I cut the cloth. Okay. This is naturally radiant face cloth. So this is free, darling.
Yeah.
Oh.
These are from
Microfiber.
Superdrug.
Microfiber.
Company called Superdrug.
So this is
They
free.
sent me email saying I haven't bought anything for a long time, so
That's
they
why you
gave
bought
me
something.
an extra 10% off.
But how did you know I need this?
I didn't, but I know you use them, so.
So I got enough for a year. Also, it's very nice and soft. It's very. Oh, I didn't wash it. I put it on my face.
It's unopened.
It's nice and soft. Oh. So that is why it says naturally radiant. Yes, it's very soft. It's like baby's bum. It's soft, as silky as baby's bum. Sorry. So this is what I'm using, guys. Now you see what I'm using. My husband buy everything for me, so you know, whatever I need, I always got it. So whatever I need, I always get it. Even though I don't tell my husband, I always get it. So I never run out of anything. He knows what I need. So he's like my fairy godfather. My angel. Oh, thank you, darling. I nearly say thank you, guys. Hi, baby. Sit down, sit down, sit down, baby, sit down. Oh dear. He always go in there, stepping on the portable piano. So he likes in there.
The TV.
He likes going into tight places, small space. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the unboxing for today. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.